Have you ever wondered what would happen if you stopped washing altogether? Picture this, an experiment where a person completely halts their personal hygiene routine. No more showers, no more brushing, and definitely no more hand sanitizing. Sounds a bit grim, doesn't it? Personal hygiene is a cornerstone of our daily routines and societal norms. It's something we're taught early on, from scrubbing behind our ears to flossing between our teeth. It's a part of our lives that we often take for granted, but it plays an essential role in our overall health and well-being. But what if we flipped the script? What if we challenged the norm and completely stopped washing? What would be the impact on our bodies, our health, and even our social interactions? While the thought might make you squirm, it's a fascinating concept to explore. Now that you're hooked, let's delve into what actually happens when you stop washing. So, you've stopped washing. What's the first thing that happens? Well, imagine a layer of sweat and grime building up on your skin. It's not a pretty picture, is it? This is your body's way of trying to cool down and expel toxins. But left unwashed, it can quickly become a cocktail of dirt, oils, and dead skin cells. Now, your skin is home to billions of bacteria, most of which are harmless. But when you stop washing, you're giving these bacteria a free pass to multiply in this layer of sweat and grime. This is when things can get really gnarly. Infections can set in, as harmful bacteria take advantage of your skin's vulnerable state. You become more susceptible to conditions like acne, dermatitis, and even fungal infections. Remember, your skin is your body's first line of defense against the outside world. When you neglect it, you're inviting trouble. But that's just the start. Wait till you hear what happens next. Ever been around someone who hasn't showered in a while? Not pleasant, is it? Now imagine that person is you. Not washing regularly can significantly impact your personal relationships. It's no secret that body odor can create uncomfortable situations. It can lead to social isolation and, in turn, damage your self-esteem. But it's not just about what others think. Body odor is your body's way of telling you that it's time to wash off the bacteria and sweat that's causing the smell. Ignoring this signal can lead to skin problems and infections. Moreover, the psychological effects of not washing are just as real. Reduced self-confidence and increased anxiety are common consequences. Furthermore, the act of washing itself can be therapeutic, providing a sense of cleanliness and renewal. So is it worth skipping the shower? As you can see, not washing isn't just a matter of personal preference. It can have far-reaching consequences. We've talked about the immediate effects and the social impact, but what about the health risks? Now let's dive into the potential health hazards that can arise from not washing. When you skip a shower, you're creating a breeding ground for bacteria and fungi. This can lead to various skin infections, including athlete's foot and ringworm, not to mention the unpleasant body odor from the accumulation of sweat and dirt. Furthermore, neglecting personal hygiene can also lead to more serious skin diseases. Psoriasis and eczema, for instance, can be exacerbated by the buildup of dead skin cells and bacteria. And it's not just the skin. Poor hygiene can also affect your overall health, leading to problems like infections, illness, and even mental health issues. So, maintaining personal hygiene is not just about looking good or smelling fresh. It's about safeguarding your overall health. So, the next time you think about skipping a shower, remember what you've learned today. So, we've learned quite a bit about the effects of not washing, but what's the takeaway? Well, we've discovered that neglecting personal hygiene can lead to some not-so-pleasant consequences. Unpleasant odors, skin problems, and even health risks can all result from a lack of regular washing. Let's not forget the importance of maintaining good personal hygiene. It's not just about looking presentable or smelling nice, although those are certainly bonuses. Regular washing can help to prevent the spread of diseases, keep our skin healthy, and even improve our overall well-being. There are simple yet effective ways to maintain good hygiene.
Thank you very much
Regular
for watching.
showers, washing your hands
Subscribe,
before meals
like,
and after
leave
using the
your
restroom,
comments.
brushing your teeth
I
twice a
wish you
day,
all
and
love,
washing your clothes
happiness,
regularly can
kindness,
all
and a peaceful
contribute to a
sky.
healthier, happier you. Remember, staying clean isn't just about looking good. It's about staying healthy and feeling good about yourself. So keep washing.